welcome to another vlog in Egypt. I'm in the bathroom, going to put some oil that we bought here in my hair, do a braid. Today we are going on a small trip to a different city. Near this city slash village. It looks apparently very nice, so I'm happy to see something new. I've got my countryside clothes, so I will change into a nicer ones later. The fruits here, fresh melon, oranges, passion fruit, so wonderful in these hot countries to eat all these fresh fruits and vegetables. Cold and windy today. Cold, windy, maybe, I don't know. 26 degrees. Celsius. No sun. Just a lot of sand from Sahara. Church, looking around the city. And I think we'll go and get some sweets, some baked goods. We are back home. It's the afternoon, late afternoon. Going to eat dinner, fish today, some fresh small tuna. I'm actually full. All the food lately has been so delicious that I am constantly eating. And luckily my stomach is fine, so I will maybe see you in the evening. So it's the evening. I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, moisturize a lot, and I love this time here in Egypt. I get a total rest. Not only am I not working and doing anything around YouTube, like editing, so I'm not doing any work around YouTube and any work at all, but I also don't have any access to emails or Instagram because we have an Egyptian phone number, otherwise it would be too expensive with internet. I only have access to some YouTube, so I can watch some YouTube videos for entertainment sometimes. And I read books, but also here a lot of people are just sitting a lot, staring in the sky, in the air, talking, being silent. Life is much slower here, especially in the countryside. Of course, you have children on the phones, on social media, but still much less than in Europe. And a lot of people are, and a lot of children are playing outside. And I can feel getting a total rest and learning from the people here to just sit and stare. And I don't have to do anything, and time is going slowly by. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and thank you very much for watching.